Hey you guys, welcome back to the Gray Wig series. Today we have this cute little wig to review. Okay, so the wig that we have today comes to us from an Amazon seller. This one here, I picked it up at the same time that I picked up the one that I'm wearing. I wanted to get one with loose curls, and then I wanted to get one with tight curls. So I was able to find this one for a pretty reasonable price with tight curls in it. So this one I think will be really pretty combed out. This is a cap construction on it. As you can see, it's just a full cap. You do get 2 combs on the side. You do not get a comb in the back, but you do get some adjustable straps if you have a smaller head size. This is the colors close to each other. They look the same, but then once you put them close up on one another, you see that the one with the ringlets has more dark hairs in there. So this is the wig on. Of course, when I put it on, I was looking like, no sis, no. They did give you some small hairs in the front. I started to show you guys that, and then I was like, okay, yes, let's try to work this out. With curly wigs, you always want to start at the base so that you don't comb them out and they don't get too big and too fuzzy too quick. If this was the color of my hair, this would be great, you guys, because all I would have to do is pull it back and blend it in. So keep that in mind if you are gray and you do want to just like pull this back and have some gray in the front and kind of blend it in with a headband, or just like I said, just blending it in. So what I'm doing is I'm going into the front and I'm just going to comb this from the roots up, and when I do that, I'll keep the curls at the ends and I'll just have the roots combed up so it'll give it some height without messing with the curls, excuse me. So I'm just pulling on them, just kind of trying to shape them with my fingers so that it doesn't get too fuzzy and it doesn't get too big, so that I can keep it as a small afro. I love the curls that comes on this. This color is a little bit too gray, I think, for me, with the curls being this tight, but I think if you go in and you like really comb them out, they would you know, it would be really nice. Now the wig itself is a simple, easy wig, just throw and go. Definitely you just, like I said, would just have to shape it to, you know, your face shape and everything. Otherwise it's a cute wig. This is pretty much the final look for it. For me, I just went in with my fingers, you know, and just did something really cute. Go ahead and stay tuned for my pros and cons. Okay, so this is the final look for this one, and I will say again, it's another cute one. I keep finding ones that are just nailing it. Now this one here is shorter and it is afro as well. If you did not like the fullness of the last one, then I think you would like this one, because this one here, you do get, you know, a lot more curls that are tighter, but they sit closer. So if you like something like this, like where it just is minimal and it's like not gonna go blowing with the wind and all that, then this one here is good. This one's pretty much going to sit where you put it. You don't have to cut anything, you guys. All I did was start at the root. I would tell you always, when it comes to curly wigs, just start at the root. All I did, as you guys saw, is go in with my comb and just kind of lift it, because that way the curls will stay in and you can actually see the ringlets and they won't like get too fuzzy. This is again a synthetic wig, as you guys know, so it will get a little bit fuzzy. You can go in with other things to tame that, as far as gel, mousse and stuff like that. These wigs do react to that type of stuff, so you can put that on there. All in all, I like this wig. I don't know which one I like better. You guys let me know, battle of the wigs. Do you like the last one from Amazon? Do you like this one from Amazon? Both of them, like I said, to me are really nice. I do like both of them. So yeah, I don't really know which one is. It just depends on your style. I think this one here is really really cute. I think I like this one because the colors died down. It's not as white at the tips, but then if your hair is white, you're going to like that one a little better. This one here, it sits a little better for me, as far as, you know, it doesn't move around. That one there does move, and I like that one also over here, because it's more to me of a wet and wavy or wavy look. So I don't know, I think it just depends on your style. Both of them are super cute, so hopefully I was able to pull it off. You guys let me know what you like. Did you like the other Amazon one, or do you like this one? Do you like both of them? What do you like about them? Do you like the tight curls? Do you like the loose curl / wave? So many decisions to make, but you can still look good on a budget and gray. Thanks again for watching today. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. Returning subscribers and YouTube babes, hey girl, hey. If you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos on social media platform, I highly recommend you do. Send it to a friend, send it to a sister, send it to somebody who loves gray wigs. I don't care. Send it to someone. Go ahead on and tag me in it. If it's Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok, the name is going to be Beautiebymark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.